Using Excel and financial calculator, we will summarize and answer this question. Okay, let's collect information first. Number of year, interest, present value, payment, future value. In this case, number of year 17, interest rate 4.61%, payment 2.13 million, future value equals 0. Now, present value equals interest, number of period, payment, future value, bring 0. Present value equals 24.73. In this case, he will receive his first payment today. So this is about annuity due. Annuity due is ordinary annuity times 1 plus interest rate. In this case, ordinary annuity equals 24.73 times 1 plus interest. So, present value of this rotary will be 25.87. Hey, there is a shortcut. Present value equals rate, number of year, payment, future value, and putting 1. You will get annuity due. Okay? Now, using financial calculator, I will show you how to calculate it. Okay? So here, 17 years, interest, payment 2.13, future value, compute present value. Aha. This is our present value, but one more interest rate, 1.0461 equal. Alright, present value of this rotary is 25.86 or 7 million. Okay?